the side of the road. I examined it and loaded it up, took it home, re-strengthened the frame, popped everything back in place, checked out the springs. It needed to restore. One spring was missing under the bottom. We're going to restore that. Got it cleaned up, and part of the seat cushion was busted. I took a needle and thread and closed that up, cleaned it, and had it shampooed, and used my heater to dry it. And this is part 3. Stand by. Diversity 2. This is how I restored a recliner. Okay, next we're going to try to close up any fabric that's busted. It's got a simple needle and thread here. I'm going to try to do this where it doesn't show that. I'm just going to take it from the rear, underneath the fabric here. And pull that. But that's not too bad. Now we're going to take a vacuum and get the bottom, the top, all over this chair, under the pillows, and just take your vac and clean like crazy. Okay, next we are going to spot clean. Anywhere you see a spot clean, I have my battery operated brush here. Got my hand held brush, warm soapy water. Got me a sponge. Got me a big towel. And I got my wet dry vac ready to go to soak up the water, the attachments. Notice here on the arms here, probably where I was dragging it through the dirt when I was loading it up in my truck. I'm going to take and put my water on there. I'm going to start with the spot cleaning. But we're going to clean the whole thing, but right now it's going to get the concentrated area where it's dirty. Just take and knock it very loose with your brush here. There's another spot up here. And we're around there, spots up in here. I have some disinfect spray here. I'm going to spray in the area where the head would be. Well, I'll spray the whole chair. So you can clean into this fabric when I clean it. We got this chair, reconstructed the damage, got the fabric sewn up in the corner, we got the spot scrubbed it, then we scrubbed it all over, and we sprayed disinfect into the fabric. Now we're going to take our wet dry vac and soak up the water. This is our next step. white towel. It's getting discolored. Somewhat. Okay, version 2, we got this chair ready to go. Now it has to dry. Now, you can set this on your patio in your yard, out in the sun, when it's blowing and sunny, and the weather is pretty warm. This fabric will dry fast. But if you don't have that, plus someone to help you get it out where you want it to dry. But if that's not the case, then what you're going to need now is a heater, that type of floor heater, and a plastic drop cloth, $1 something at Home Depot, and do this. You're going to plug up your heater. Okay, we're going to cover the chair with a thin piece of drop cloth, the plastic over the chair. Going to take and just set this. Don't let it touch the heater. Just want the heat to blow up on the plastic. You want to monitor this. So we just created a dry sauna for the chair. See if we can step this arm rest. Because the pillows they curve here, don't they?
Yes,
okay.
they do.
Okay, good. Yeah. Then we can work on the other end. Well, this looks a little slanted. Does that one curve out? Or not?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. We're getting there.